In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues with Woocommerce emails not sending. If you've been experiencing problems with Woocommerce emails failing to reach their intended recipients, then you've come to the right place. This can often be a frustrating issue, but by following a few simple steps, you can resolve it efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, head over to WordPress.com. This website is your go-to stop for building and managing your site. Begin by clicking on the Login button. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. And from here, you can easily access the settings you need to tweak to resolve any email issues. Now, focus your attention on the Woocommerce settings. This is where the core of your email's configurations lies. To get here, look for the Woocommerce option on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Once you've clicked on it, a series of options will unfold. Select Settings, and this will open up a new tab filled with different options related to your Woocommerce store. Click on the Email tab. It's in this part of your Woocommerce settings that you adjust the settings for all automated emails sent from your site. Next, you will want to look through the list of email notifications available. Here, focus specifically on the email notification that is not being sent as it should. Click on Manage next to the particular email you're having trouble with. Doing so will open up a page filled with customizable settings for that specific notification. Once you are on the Manage page, check the box that says Enable this email notification. Sometimes, email notifications may inadvertently not be enabled, meaning they won't send out to customers even if the rest of your configurations are correct. Ensuring that this box is checked is a crucial step in addressing the issue of emails not being sent. Once you've done that, save your settings and consider running a few test transactions or actions on your site to ensure emails start firing off as intended. If you've followed these steps and still have issues, it may help to check other configurations such as your hosting settings or email service provider. But the steps we've covered should resolve most of the common problems quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with Woocommerce emails not sending. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful, and you're back on track with communicating seamlessly with your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions or comments down below.